guys, it's me again, and as you can see, I'm at the outdoors. So my dad is riding a pit bike, so is my stepbrother and my step uncle. So what my dad's gonna do is we're gonna go to the hills first. I'm already at the hills, but and then after that he's going to the lake, like over there. So come watch him. There he is. Woo, it's loud. Uh-oh, something happened. Hold on, guys, let me see. So, guys, he was okay. That was my dad. He's having trouble with the pit bike. As you can see. He's trying to figure out what's the problem, I think. And my dad also got off of work like a few minutes ago. Alright, come on guys, let's go see what my stepbrother and my step-uncle are doing inside. Here's my step-uncle. Uncle Michael, let's go look inside. Adrian, where are you? Nothing. As you can see, he's playing a video game. He's a little shy guy. Come on, let's go back outside. That's all we have. Bye.